Hi, this is Chinmayi. Today is going to be a side-by-side comparison tool of the Revlon one-step volumizing tool and the Dyson AirWrap. So this I have used I'm going to be using the round volumizing brush, something that this claims to do. So we'll also time how fast it takes to dry both sides of my hair and kind of style it.
Hey, this is Chinmayi.
Put it onto your face. Put it on. Okay, so now my hair is damp. I have not used conditioner. I have not used any sort of a styling product on my hair. I'm going to just leave the top portion of my hair as is. This, as Mr. Vadivelu's mandavela irukra kontai will remain the same. But this one, I'm going to use for the left hand side, I'm going to be using the Revlon's one-step hair volumizing styling tool, and for the other side, I'm going to be using the Dyson's AirWrap with the volumizing attachment. So let's start with this, okay? I'm going to put on my stopwatch like a lot of these professional YouTubers do. So let's go. So it took me about 1 minute and 49 seconds to completely dry this side of my hair with the Revlon tool, and I'm going to be looking at this one now. Let's go. And this took about 1 minute and 19 seconds to completely dry this side of my hair. So I guess I don't know if there's a difference in volume from this side and that side, so I'm not sure. Okay, so anyway, this is the front portion of my hair. I'm going to be using this round volumizing tool as usual on one side, and then the Revlon tool on the other one. So I definitely feel a lot more volume happening on this side than on this side with the Dyson's round volumizing brush. So for me, the Revlon one-step tool is a clear win as long as volume is concerned. As I've said at the beginning of this video, there is no product that I have used, and this is how this is. So as long as volumizing is concerned, the Revlon one-step tool is a clear win for me. So that's that. One of you had asked me for a comparison side-by-side video, and here that is. I will see you with one more video which will also be a side-by-side comparison with the Dyson AirWrap, the same tool, and the Conair's Infinity Pro Spin Airbrush. The difference between this and that would definitely be that this one doesn't spin, but that one does. The brush itself spins. So let me take you with that in my next video. Until then, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.